up, YouTubers? Here's the Swede coming at you from the Silver Lake, Los Angeles, and today we're doing a classic song, Crazy, by Willie Nelson. Patsy Cline made it famous. So, okay, I'm in standard tuning. I'm going to show you in open chords. If you want to play with Patsy Cline, play the same chords I'm showing you. Put a cape on 3. If you want to play along with Willie Nelson, put a cape on 5, play the same chords. Cool, let's go. Starts in G major to C major, C, B over C. From C major, you just keep your first finger and second finger goes to second fret A. B over C, A minor to D major. So that's the intro, and that's a lot of those chords will be part of this song. Here we go, and the strumming. You can get away with this down strum. G major, E7. First finger G, second finger A. To A minor that we had earlier. C major, D major, sorry. To D7. That's 2, 1, 2, starting on the high E. Back to G. So that's the first part. And now we're gonna do like a little walk up here. G major to A flat diminished. That's 4 low E, 3 D, 4 G. Skip the A string to A minor to D. Alright, let's do that again from the verse. Crazy, G, E7 to A minor, D major, D7 and G, A flat diminished, can pick that, A minor, back to G, crazy. A minor. D major. Okay. Now we're going to do something else. We're not going to do the A flat diminished. We're going to go G, A minor, B flat diminished. So that's 1 on the A string, 2 on the D, and 2 on the G. And open G can be part of it. To B minor. Let's do that again. G, A minor, B flat diminished to B minor. C major. And then we got another diminished chord. C sharp diminished. 4, 5, 3, 5. G. A7. It's a good thing to grab pen and paper. Write down all the chords. Back to G. E7. A minor. Almost there. And here's the ending. C, B over C, A minor, and that A flat diminished, back to A minor, and D major, and we're in, back home. And then they do that intro again, G to C. Alright, let's do it from the top. G, C, this is before the singing. C, B over C, A minor. Crazy. If you want to do that walk down to E7 there, it sounds good. It's 3, 2, 1, open. When you grab the E7 there. It's the first verse. D major. Like that D7. Okay, to G. We're gonna walk up. G. A flat diminished. A minor. D. Okay, here's the second part. Crazy. Diminished to B minor, C major, quick C sharp diminished to G. And we want to go 2, 2, 2. That's 2, 3, 4 on the E string. It's like a chromatic thing. And then A7 instead of A minor to D, like that D7, third part. Okay, here's the end. G major, E7, A minor, and here's the ending. C, B over C, A minor, A flat diminished, A minor, D, G, intro. They do a key change there, but I'm not going to worry about that. Here's the main parts, you know, and also, yeah, the intro G, instead of just going G, C, we do a G, G, A flat, so that's 3, 4, open A, 1, 2, and grab C. Thanks, guys. Remember, 3 for Patsy Cline, 5 for Willie. So this song is, it's not super hard, but it's a lot of chords to remember, right? And it's not for beginners. We got bar chords and diminished and stuff. But here it is. That's the form. All right. See you soon. Thank you.